Just me taking my side step for installation. Had to fold down the rear seats, but managed to fit the whole huge ass box. Alright, so today I am fitting on the new side skirts for the Land Rover Defender. It's quite a bit of job. Let me just run through with you what we have done so far. Alright, so these are the new Land Rover Defender side steps. You can see that it's got the word Defender on it. Very nice material. So we've actually removed the left hand side, and as you can tell, we had to remove all these clips here for the side skirts. So what we've done on the right hand side is to just immediately cut them out, so we don't have to sacrifice all the clips. It's a pretty neat way to install the side steps without having to compromise on the body clips here. So we basically just rip them out. These are the clips I'm talking about. You can see that these have been ripped out already. So I'm gonna get them replaced. So instead of having to rip them out, we're just gonna cut directly from below and then mount these bad boys on. Thank goodness I didn't attempt to try and install it on my own, because I think I would have had a lot of problems, and it would have taken me way too much time to even attempt a job like this. Now what's really neat is that when you open up the box, there is a QR code that brings you to a link, and all you gotta do is scan the link. It'll bring you to the Land Rover spare parts, and under the accessories you just have to put in this code. In fact, you can just locate the accessories and they will have instructions on how you can actually assemble and mount the side steps on. But like I mentioned, it's just way too much work. And as far as I can recall, I think I sent my Discovery 4 to MB Motors to install the side steps. I do recall it was a lot of work as well. So not for the faint of heart. If you're feeling adventurous, go for it. Alright, some quick updates. So the rear mud flaps actually arrived as well. So the side skirt, the clips actually had to be replaced. So the workshop that I bought my side steps from, which is called Nanseng Auto, they carry a lot of Land Rover and Jaguar parts. They found the missing cargo. So the guys are actually bringing it back from his shop over to where I am right now to have it fixed as well. So basically that's going to complete the look for my Land Rover Defender. It's been almost 3 hours at the workshop, so I'm just sitting here chilling while waiting for all the rest of the other items to arrive. So as you can tell, I am back home. The side steps have already been installed, and it is a welcome addition to the Land Rover Defender. My wife really likes it because she actually thinks that the Land Rover is a little bit too high. She's gotten so used to the side steps of my Discovery 4 that it feels like you're dropping off a high step. I don't know how else to explain it. But I did manage to get my the mud flaps installed. I will do it really soon, and I will be back with a full-on review for the new Land Rover Defender. And if you guys like the new Land Rover Defenders, remember to subscribe to my channels. I'm probably gonna upload a couple of more videos talking about it. It is I mean, it is one of the cars that I waited a long time for, as a worthy upgrade to my Discovery 4. And hope you guys enjoy the weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.